Welcome to our tour of this stunning industrial loft, where raw materials meet refined design. From exposed brick to sleek furniture, every corner is a masterpiece of urban charm. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you're inspired by this unique, stylish space. Sunlight pours into a spacious industrial loft with exposed brick walls and massive factory-style windows. The raw concrete floor contrasts beautifully with polished wooden touches. A sleek black metal coffee table stands boldly near a burgundy distressed leather sofa, while an abstract canvas and lush ferns soften the scene. Rust-toned beams stretch across a high ceiling in this open-plan loft. A polished concrete floor gleams faintly beneath a large, earthy woven rug. The minimalist steel dining table anchors the space, surrounded by emerald green velvet chairs. Edison bulb chandeliers glow warmly, while ceramic vases and aged books add history. In a cozy loft corner, blackened steel window frames accentuate weathered brick walls. A plush charcoal sectional invites relaxation under a chunky ivory knit throw. A reclaimed oak coffee table holds brass candle holders. A burlap-shaded tripod lamp casts gentle light across black and white cityscape prints, and a towering fiddle leaf figure. Concrete walls set a bold tone in this airy industrial loft with massive arched windows. A herringbone hardwood floor leads to a sleek marble bar cart filled with crystal glassware. A sapphire velvet armchair sits nearby under a sculptural copper pendant, framed by succulents and a grand leaning mirror. Dramatic ductwork winds across distressed brick walls in this striking loft. The glossy black epoxy floor reflects a low dove gray linen sofa, highlighted with mustard pillows. A live-edge walnut coffee table stands nearby under vintage filament bulbs. A rusted iron sculpture and trailing ivy complete the mature urban ambience. Rough-hewn bricks and steel beams frame this chic industrial loft. A matte gray concrete floor grounds the room, centered by a glass-top dining table with brass legs. Taupe-upholstered chairs and smoked glass orbs cascading from above add elegance. Built-in shelves display ceramic art, and a large palm enlivens the corner. Dark painted brick walls and tall grid windows envelop this moody space. A deep teal velvet sofa rests on polished oak flooring, paired with a brass-trimmed coffee table. A vintage pharmacy lamp softly illuminates the charcoal and cream rug. Monochrome prints lean casually against the wall beside a bold Dracaena plant. Raw concrete and iron-framed windows define this expansive loft. A weathered oak floor anchors a soft beige modular linen sofa. Nearby, a reclaimed wood dining table gleams under industrial pendant lights. A woven wall tapestry adds warmth, while snake plants throughout infuse the scene with natural vibrance and elegance. Brick meets polished concrete in this sleek urban loft. A slate gray sectional sofa with burnt orange cushions faces a steel coffee table. A minimalist arc floor lamp casts a subtle glow. A gallery wall of botanical prints in gold frames is offset by lush ferns in ceramic planters. Rustic charm flows through this industrial loft with distressed bricks and rusted beams. A reclaimed pine floor supports a cognac leather armchair and a brass side table holding a vintage typewriter. Overhead, exposed bulbs in an iron chandelier flicker warmly. A jute rug and potted pot hose complete the inviting look. Smooth concrete walls meet black steel windows in this modern loft. A polished walnut floor reflects a low olive green linen sofa and marble coffee table. Geometric matte black pendants hang above, Jewel-toned abstract art and brass planters filled with succulents craft a cozy, stylish retreat for elegant viewers. A tucked-away nook reveals exposed brick and iron girders. A matte black floor contrasts with an amethyst velvet armchair and reclaimed oak side table. A vintage brass banker's lamp glows gently, resting beside framed vintage maps. A soft gray rug and peace lily in ceramic complete the tranquil composition. This luxurious loft boasts oversized windows and raw brick charm. A cream linen sectional rests atop polished concrete. A brass chandelier glimmers above a glass-topped dining table. A tall mirror framed in black steel stands behind potted palms, bringing freshness and refinement to the bold, sophisticated urban interior. Moody tones define this dramatic loft with rusted beams and dark concrete walls. A charcoal velvet tufted sofa sits on a weathered oak floor beside a live-edge walnut table. Vintage Edison bulbs glow softly. Oxidized copper sculpture and trailing ivy pots complete this space with mature, visual intensity. Chevron-patterned hardwood gleams in this chic loft, surrounded by exposed bricks and steel windows. A brass bar cart with crystal decanters shines nearby, opposite a deep emerald velvet chair. Above, a smoked glass pendant light suspends elegance. Cacti in geometric pots and a large mirror ground the sophisticated composition. Weathered brick and iron-framed windows define this rustic sanctuary. A matte concrete floor supports a taupe linen sectional with mustard pillows. A pine coffee table, tripod lamp, and black and white prints add layers of vintage charm. A woven basket cradling a monstera plant infuses nature into the warm industrial aesthetic. Smooth concrete walls and grid windows frame this sleek setting. Dark-stained oak flooring hosts a dove-gray velvet sofa and black steel dining table. Overhead, pendant lights shine down on earthy-toned wall tapestries. Snake plants rise from terracotta pots, tying cozy textures and mature minimalism into one cohesive vision. This dramatic loft features black epoxy flooring and distressed bricks. A tufted sapphire armchair stands proudly beside a brass-trimmed table. A pharmacy-style floor lamp offers moody lighting. A textured charcoal rug and monochrome abstract prints set the scene. A matte black planter holds a thriving Dracaena, adding a refined touch. Towering arched windows brighten a concrete-walled loft with weathered pine floors. A sleek glass dining table with brass legs commands attention, surrounded by taupe chairs. A smoked glass chandelier floats overhead. A bookshelf displays sculptural ceramics and curated art books, while a lush palm in a woven basket finishes the frame. This cozy loft space marries raw materials with softness. Brick and steel beams surround a charcoal gray sofa, wrapped in an ivory knit throw. A reclaimed oak table brims with brass candle holders. Copper lighting sculpts warmth across botanical prints in gold frames. A fiddle leaf fig in terracotta breathes life throughout. Thank you for exploring this amazing loft with us. We hope you're inspired by the blend of industrial elegance and cozy warmth. If you enjoyed this tour, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more interior design inspiration. See you in the next video.